Hey there, we got the perfect breakfast idea for you.
Oh, yes, this delicious breakfast loaf.
Welcome, I'm Donna.
And I'm Monica, and thanks for stopping by. Today we got all the info ready to show you how to make this mouth-watering breakfast loaf in only 10 easy steps.
So let's dive right into the tutorial. Step 1. Gather all your needed items. Pam cooking spray, butter flavor, 1 loaf pan 9 by 5, non-stick, 1 large bowl, 1 whisk, 1 cup of eggs, which is about 4 large eggs, or you can just use 1 cup of liquid eggs in the carton, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 cup of chopped or diced onion equivalent to a medium-sized onion, yellow or red, 1 cup of chopped or diced tomato equivalent to a medium-sized tomato, a half cup of chopped sweet red pepper equivalent to a half of a medium-sized red pepper, a half cup of portobello mushrooms chopped or diced. You can measure it from a big portobello size mushroom. Also, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And while you are chopping up your veggies, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Step 2. Whisk together 4 large eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper into your large bowl.
Step 3. Continue to whisk your eggs, adding in 1 cup of chopped onions.
Step 4. Continue to whisk your mixture, adding in 1 cup of chopped tomatoes.
Step 5. Continue to whisk your mixture, adding in half cup of chopped sweet red peppers.
Step 6. Continue to whisk your mixture, adding in half cup of chopped portobello mushrooms. From here, this will be the last veggie addition for this recipe.
Step 7.
Spray your bundt pan. Then,
Pour your mixture into your 9 by 5 loaf pan. Then top off your loaf with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese.
but
Make sure your loaf is fully submerged. If your ingredients of veggies and cheese are sticking up above the eggs, add a little more egg to make sure your loaf is fully submerged. We recommend using the carton eggs, or you can whisk up an additional 1 to 2 eggs if needed.
Step 8. Bake until it's cooked throughout the loaf for 25 to 30 minutes.
Step 9. Keep an eye on your loaf when it starts to become solid form and becomes slightly brown while approaching the 20 to 25 minute mark. To determine if it's cooked, insert a toothpick into the center. If it emerges clean, this signifies that the item is fully cooked.
Step 10. Take out your loaf when it is done and let stand 10 minutes before serving.
And that's it. Now you can make this gourmet breakfast loaf the same as we did for family, friends, or yourself in no time.
Try this recipe and tell us your thoughts in the comments. Plus, give us a like and subscribe, and let's meet back here for the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.